If your marketing feels like a shot in the dark, you're missing the mark. Let's change that with Digimation Flight. Looking to become a digital marketing expert? Welcome to Digimation Flight's comprehensive course, designed to help you master the art of online growth. Our course covers everything you need to succeed in the fast-evolving world of digital marketing. From SEO and Google Ads to social media marketing, content strategy, and analytics, we provide hands-on experience with real-world tools and techniques. You'll learn to create effective campaigns, drive traffic, and convert visitors into loyal customers using proven strategies employed by top marketers around the world. Guided by industry experts, you'll work on real-world projects that will boost your portfolio and give you the confidence to tackle any marketing challenge. Plus, with lifetime access to course materials and ongoing support, your learning never stops. Whether you want to grow your business, start a career in marketing, or become a freelancer, Digimation Flight's digital marketing course will give you the skills and knowledge to stand out. Enroll today and start your journey toward becoming a digital marketing pro with Digimation Flight.